In today's video, we're going to take a look at the slope-intercept form of the equation of a line. And by the end of this video, you should be able to find the slope and the y-intercept from the equation of a line. So the slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. You need to know that. That's a pretty common form of the equation of a line. M, the number in front of the x, or the coefficient of x, is always going to be the slope. B, the number that is aside from x, it's the constant, it's what you're adding or subtracting from the x term, is always going to be the y-intercept. It's where the line crosses the y-axis. So let's take a look at an example. Y is equal to 3x plus 4. What is the slope of this line? Well, to find the slope of the line, all we need to do is find the coefficient of x. 3 is the coefficient of x. So, our slope of our line is going to be 3 because it's 3 times x plus 4. So m is 3 and the slope is 3. Here's one for you to try. Pause the video, work it out, press play when you're ready to see the answer. For this one, you notice that the negative 2 is next to the x, so the slope of the line is negative 2. Here's another one. Try it out, pressing pause, plus play when you're ready to see the answer. For this one, you have a negative in front of the x, but it doesn't list a number. It's understood that your coefficient of x is a 1 if it's not listed. And since there's a negative in front of it, it's like having negative 1x plus 5. So, for this question, or equation, the slope is going to be negative 1. So if you see a negative in front of x, you just need to know that the slope is negative 1. Switching that up a little bit, what is the slope of this line? Y is equal to x plus 2. Again, there is no coefficient of x listed, no number in front of x, so that number is understood to be 1. So for this problem, the slope is 1. All right, let's take a look at y-intercepts. Remember, y-intercepts are what we are adding or subtracting from the x term. What is the y-intercept of this line? Well, since it's 3x plus 4, the y-intercept is going to be 4, but we're going to list our y-intercepts as an ordered pair. X is 0, y is 4, because that's where the line crosses the y-axis. The line would cross the y-axis at 4. That's the y-intercept. X is 0, y is 4. Alright, here's one for you to try. What is the y-intercept of this line? When we look for the constant that is being added or subtracted from the x term, we notice it's a minus 7. So the y-intercept is 0, negative 7. And what is the y-intercept of this line? Now this one's a little bit weird. There is no constant listed. So what do you think it is? Well, if it's not listed, it's like you're adding nothing to the x term. So you know that the y-intercept is going to be 0, which we can write as an ordered pair as 0, 0.